There you go, buddy. Okay, let's see what they have left behind. Sections of rail. Painted in blue. Wonder if that's just an indication of where they are going to place them. I don't know, leave a comment if you know why they would do those sections like that. Like cross sections or frog sections. Some boxes. Looks like switch plates. Righto. I used the drone to take a peek into the yard and instantly saw the rubbish bin, so of course I gravitated directly towards that. Looked like there was some pretty cool stuff inside of it. However, the real idea was to take a look at what equipment was around for install. And I can see some of the older signal lights there. Maybe some newer ladders, PTC equipment, the newer signal lights, and of course the new electrical boxes that looks like will be installed. Okay, it's a few days later and I'm back from California, and it looks like they got the positive train control signal mast foundations installed. It's not the gantry style, however single access, and when I look a little closer it looks like that access has been, for safety reasons, locked up. The signal control equipment looks like it's been installed, and now I'm just doing a obligatory first pass through the signal lights, even though those haven't been installed. Stay tuned for part 3, as I'm sure they're going to start turning their attention to the rail portion of the install.